Hey guys, Rich Vicini, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. You know, back in the day, I have to honestly say this here, back in the day, you had to use a white screen and a green screen and a blue screen. But what I do notice, and I love, is that with the new Filmora 12, that makes it really easy to not have to get set up with this stuff anymore, at least for me anyway. Because for the simple reason is, what you see is a white screen back here. And with this white screen, I could add any backgrounds. And the whole premise behind this video, for me doing this video, is to show you that with the new technology that's built in, and I think other programs have it, other video editing software has it, is that with Filmora, they got this smart cutout feature that they got in there where it makes it really easy to get rid of the unused, unneeded background. And I'm going to show you that in a second here. But before I get started, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. This video is being created with the Filmora 12, the newest version. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to pause my camera, which is a webcam here, and I'm going to remove this white screen. I'm just going to show you the regular living area here, okay? And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to, cut that out without needing a white screen anymore. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Filmora, and I'm going to show you the process. It's really cut and dry, and it's really easy. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to drop this over here with the white screen, and I want to show you, how it works. Let me just move this up just a little over here. Let me just back out a little over here, just so I don't get too much into that frame there. Okay, all right. So now what I want to show you is here we got the regular white screen and stuff. And if I play it, you'll hear me talking. Hey guys, Rich Vicini, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. All right. Now, it's really cut and dry when you got a white background like this. And whenever you see stuff like this here, folks, I have, the reason why I have cam 1, cam 2, whatever I have, I set up like that when I'm doing a split screen. So if I want to go to different cameras, you don't have to worry about that there. If it really bothers you, what you do is go over here to stock media, and you would click on film stock here, and you go to the solid colors here, and this is what I would do in case like this. Yeah, I'm showing my little camera tricks here, but I don't care. I love sharing information with you guys, and that's what my YouTube channel is all about. All right, so I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to go over here. See where my mouse cursor is? I'm going to click this on here. This way it'll allow me to make a little configuration, so to speak, there. And I'm going to go like this and like that. Bump that right out. Boom, it disappeared. Okay. All right, what you want to do is go to AI Tools right over here. So my mouse cursor is AI Tools. I'm going to click on Chroma key here, and I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click white, and boom. Now, you can see over here, because there's a little blemish there, you could also offset it, and you could do the tolerance and stuff like that. That sometimes becomes a problem, but with the new AI, check this out. Bingo. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, what did I just click? You're probably wondering, okay, what did you just click, Rich? Okay, I clicked over here. See where my mouse cursor is? AI Portrait. When you take that out, it'll have that little blemish there. Okay, so when you click it on, boom, it takes it right out. Now, you see the little black bars there? You don't have to keep it there. Just go back over here, click on this here, the picture this time, or the background. And again, what you want to do is just go like this. Go to, it says Basic, and you see the little padlock here? Check that like that, and you see these little things here. Now, I hope that ain't moving me now. It should move this here. Okay, that's going to move me. Now, we want to go to this one here. I don't know what happens every now and then. Let's go over here. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay. You'll know you got it right when you got on there. And what you're going to do is you're just going to move it like that. See? Move it right out like that. See? And, there you have it. Now, I know I took a snapshot. The reason why I did is because I wanted to show you without that part there. Normally, if I was going to do a video, I would blot that out altogether, or just remove it from my the other software I use. The other software I use is the oh my gosh, it's SplitCam. And that's what I put in there with the split cam. I set it up like that there. Okay, but you can see, and the great thing about this here is you could add anything here too. I mean, look, I'll just show you an example here. If I want to just drop in the animation over here, where is it? Where's my animation? Let's see, look at this here. I want to drop this in here, right? And if I play it, that'll play because that's animation here. See? And you can put the animation there, like that. See? You could do anything with this here. It's awesome. It really is. And you can change the backgrounds just like you like. Look at that. You know, I'm an eBay seller, just in case wind's weathering. So in case you're seeing it there. I also love YouTube, so I can put a YouTube background back there. And it goes on and on and on. But the thing I'm trying to show you is that's with a white screen. Okay. All right, Rich. So you said I seen it with the white screen. Let's see what you're talking about now. Let's get down here to the nitty gritty and see what's going on here. All right. So we got me over here. Let's go back to the project media here. Now here is the one with the background I was talking about. Okay, we're going to drop that over here. Okay, same thing, and I got that there. I think it's okay. So now you can see I'm over here talking this stuff over here. I'm talking up this thing here. my video. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, you see back here. I got this little table back here and a little background over there with a little coat rack behind there. What I want to do is I want to put a different background in there. Now, normally, if you just did it the other way, like this here, if you didn't have like YouTube, we call it YouTube. If Filmora didn't have that AI feature, it would be a problem. And this is called a smart cutout. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you. Let me move me over here. Okay, I'm going to go over here like this here. And I'm going to take background. Let's see. What background we're going to use? Let's see my favorite one here. Let's go to this. And let's try this one here. We're not going to do the whole clip right away. We're going to snip it. And we're going to get, well, let me snip this here. Snip that there. Get rid of this. Cut it. Okay, let's go back. All right. I got all this background. I don't like this background here. I don't want it in here. Okay, it's not going to do me any good by it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go back to AI tools. Let me click, make sure I'm on. You got to click, make sure you're clicking the right one on here. I'm going to go to AI tools. Okay, I don't think I have to go to the chroma key. I don't think I used it the last time. And I'm going to go to smart cutout. I'm going to click that on. You click the little button that says smart cutout. You're going to click this on. Click to start smart cutout. And what I want to do is, I just want me in there. I think I want too much out of it. So there we go. Just do it this way. I was trying to be too perfect the other way. You can always correct it. Okay. All right. You could always correct it on your own at your own time. Like I said, I'm doing this here, and I want to try to keep this video as short as possible. Now, the thing is, when you're doing this here, make sure you want to keep everything and even get that piece in there. Make sure you don't, you want to keep it where you don't want your ears to look like they're cut off and stuff like that. Because I noticed that when I was playing around with that earlier, I noticed that's how it was looking. Okay, so what you want to do is after you save it, where you go like this with this here, and you'd save it, right? Boom. All that background is done. It's all out of there. Okay, and this is how I do my videos, folks. This is how I do my video. And you can shrink it down, if you want to make yourself look like you're really in there, that you're going to play around with because you got to figure like the depth of field. Like, in other words, if you're really sitting in here, and this here, I always do this here too, folks. Again, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to click this on here. I'm going to make this bigger. Okay. I'm going to make this bigger like that. You got to picture if you're sitting up close or away from the object there. Okay. You got to figure out for yourself, how would it look, if you were there? Like, suppose you're sitting next to the window. Would this be the right size right here? Like if you were sitting here, you picture looking out the window, right? So, I mean, you could play around with it on your own. And you could, shift it around and stuff like that. If you need to make it a little bigger, you can make it a little bigger like this here. You just pull this here like that, Or you can leave it like that. Well, it looks normal, whatever, okay? And then, of course, when you play it, it's a little better. See, now I got that there because I didn't do the whole thing here. But you're probably wondering, how come that happened? That's because I didn't do the whole feature with this here. I didn't add the whole thing into it, but that's how easy it is to do. Okay, and yeah, that's basically all it is. Oh, again, I hit the AI portrait here. Portrait. That's why. It should work like this. See, I didn't have that. Make sure you enable AI portrait. See, now it works. I forgot. You know what had happened, folks? I'm glad the way that happened. Because I see here, right over here, if you got a situation like that where you're doing it, you only did a segment of it, make sure that's checked off the right way, because that's what's going to happen. Okay? So if you see a problem like this, I like when these little things happen, because this way you get an idea. Oh, that's what right over here. See here? Make sure that's checked off. Boom. Yeah. But anyway, that's all I want to show you. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. And for you guys out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best. And as I always say in my videos, matter of fact, I'll just go over here. Where is it? Where is that thing I always tell you guys? Where is it? Right here. Keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. That's it, folks. And don't forget, good thumbnails and titles, okay? All right, this is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. If you like this video, if you got a little takeaway from it, if you think it's okay, drop a comment below and let me know what you think about it. And if you do like it, hopefully you like me as a creator, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post type of videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Rich Bassini signing off. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.